Welcome in my YouTube channel. Let us start the next property of the square matrix. What does this property says exactly? Okay, this property is usually called as a theorem. Okay, but it does theorem say a square matrix A. Okay, any square matrix a square matrix A is invertible if and only if A is non singuलर मैट्रिक्स. ओके, कोई भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है जो इन्वर्टिबल है. इन्वर्टिबल मीन्स जिसका इन्वर्स एग्जिस्ट होता है, जिसका हम इन्वर्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इन्वर्स हम जिस मैट्रिक्स का भी हम इन्वर्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं वो अपने आप में एक नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है. ओके, और जो नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स होगी उसका इन्वर्स एग्जिस्ट होगा. डेट इज कॉल्ड इन्वर्टिबल. जैसे इफ ए डिटर्मिनेंट इज नॉन जीरो, if a determinant is non-zero then the matrix is non-singular. Implies that A is non-singular. If A is non-singular then A is invertible. Then A is invertible. Invertible means A inverse exists. And if any matrix whose inverse exists, that must be a non-singular. If A inverse exists implies that determinant must be non-zero. If any matrix whose inverse exists, that must be one whose determinant non-zero, and that is non-singular matrix. Okay, now let us go on the matrix equation. Ax equal b. This is a matrix equation where A is some m cross n matrix and x is some vector, means n cross 1. Be careful, the length of vector, the order of vector is always n cross 1, m cross 1. Okay, why the order of the vector starts from n? Because for the product, columns of the matrix A should be equal to the rows of this matrix, so the product is defined. And here Ax is given equal to some matrix B, which implies that product is defined. If the product is defined, then the columns of the matrix A should be equal to the rows of X, and hence this vector must be the order of n cross 1. Okay, this matrix is m cross n and vector must be n cross 1. And then if A matrix is m cross n and vector is n cross 1, then the newly founded matrix, let me call it B and Ax, newly founded matrix must be of order m cross 1. Okay, because for the product these two things should be equal, and the newly matrix must be of order m rows and 1 column. Okay, means B has m cross 1 order. B is also some vector. This is the phenomena of the matrix equation. I hope you understand well about the matrix equation. Okay, in the next video I will provide about the different kinds of the matrix solution of the matrix equation, which are the conditions where the matrix equation has a unique solution, and which are the conditions where the matrix equation has infinitely or no solution exists. Okay, and when unique solution and the infinitely many solution exist, that is called the consistency of the solution of the matrix equation. Thanks for watching the video.